In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily withdraw money from your Payoneer account to your local bank. First, open your Payoneer dashboard and click on the Pay option. From there, select Pay to Recipient's Bank Account. Next, add your local bank by choosing Add Bank Account, and then selecting I'll add them now myself. Enter all the required details, including whether the account is personal or business, your bank's country, the currency, recipient information, and your bank credentials. After submitting the information, it may take up to 24 hours for your bank account to be approved. Once it's ready, return to your dashboard, select your Payoneer balance, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and transfer it to your local bank. And that's all you need to do. I hope this video helps you understand the process clearly. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.